TWB, think with Bookmaps, baby. Let's get it. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Alex, guys, you are trading on liquidity and order flow. You gotta know the flow. Live setups, bro, that's all you need. Pro insights, how you get them profits up. He ain't trying to be your mentor. He ain't trying to sell you a course. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. Bookmaps, 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 bookmaps. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right, everybody's favorite community. The Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah, Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB.
Good morning. What a night, huh? Sheesh. Right here, we're in this range, making an inverse head and shoulders. It's Friday. DK, Marcin, GN Low. Should pop up. I don't know why it hasn't yet. GN Low. Right now, Friday, 12/12. I'm trading 150K PA at the moment. Think we're gonna go lower. Well, last night we kind of rocked this pivot a couple times, and then we finally broke it, and off to the races it went. But are we gonna get back up there is the question. Not if we're tearing away from the VWAP like that. I'm shocked that none of those fired, GN. Hmm. Patience right here. See, it might break it. Come back and fill this gap right here at 25,527, or it could bounce. Good question. At this area. What was that drop? Let's look at the economic calendar. I mean, we don't have much news. We have Fed Goolsby's speech right about should be already happening. We only have speeches today. Oil rig, Baker Hughes oil rig. This is moving way too slow on the support. Nice pullback from dropping lower. Huh. Ah, see? Yeah. Going lower. Figured so. Now we got the market pulse popping off. 25,500 has 55 lots sitting down there. I think that will have a good little bounce there. Still going. Hmm. I don't think that was wiki enough to go back up quite yet. I think we still go a little over and push that low down. Look at that. You're giving a giveaway. On the NQ. Hmm.
Order rejected.
I want to short this. But Gotta be a little bit more patient. We got about 6 minutes before we're at the top of the hour.
Stop filled.
Hmm. Oh man, so close. Sheesh. Wow. She ain't falling back down. Nope. Sheesh. No, it's gonna pump for that hour. Shoot. Got about a minute to get out of this thing. Come on. Come on. Stuck on the 9 there. Gotta get out. Gotta get out of this. I was wrong. Oh man, here's the top of the hour. That's not... Wow. Wow.
Order filled.
Good game. Um, that was a lot more than I expected it to be. Actually, you know what? It just filled me at, because it's a sim funded, it just filled me at 1500. But definitely real nice. Drop back down. Just bear it out like crazy. Although, hey, good game. Good game. Good game. Took a trade from here to here. Not bad. Made 1500 on that one. Just rereading up on your notes, Dr. 980. You know, I use such big size that now that I'm on a prop firm, I don't have much drawdown, but oh, okay. All right, Captain. They're doing a giveaway, or they, it looks like they've given away 2 accounts already on read for the next one. Oh, okay, he's got another one. Read what? Type free in chat. Oh, free. If you type free, it'll pick it up on this stream as well. If you're watching here. Yeah, there you go. Type free. It'll work. It's all connected. I wouldn't be scared of the PA. Look, we're just kind of floating down. Yeah, we're gonna hit this pivot at least. I wouldn't be scared. Not at all. Oh, type free in the chat again. Type free. Type free in my chat too. Doesn't matter, whichever one. Type free if you want an Apex giveaway. Alex is giving away another one. At least you get entered in that. Dr. 980. What's up, Scott? How you doing? Welcome to RyanMac Live, day trading futures. I've already taken a trade today. Up 1500 on, I used 5 minis for 5 minutes. Still popping off. I told you we hit that pivot. It's already heading that way anyway. Dr. 980, we should use that in the Discord. Nice, Marcin. Should give away 9 of them. I know how to crack those Apex codes. I could use 150K. I'm selling off, man. Just selling off. Interesting setup. Now, see, now this wick is sticking. 25,386. Now this wick is sticking. Regular trading hours to do it in. Yeah, we should get some good moves today for sure. Albie's been a great move down. Oh, Chris Pena. You won. And we're back up. That was a sweep. That's a sweeper there. We've seen reversals like that. This thing should see 25,559 now. Keyword should, but I wouldn't be hesitant to go long here. Corey, where are you at? You in here? Oh, we got another one. Chrono Ember. Excuse me. All right, we got a 3 tick gap up here at 25,481. Bears were sloppy on that run down. Chrono Ember? Nah, don't do that. Look, draw another name. Give it to RyanMac. Give it to me. Man, it's slow today. Outside of this dump, these 2 dumps here. Get it. All right, I got a coupon, guys and gals. Free Apex giveaway. It would be after the stream. We any size you can have. Friday, get you some money. We like to give away millions, please, millions. So if you're not a Discord member, go ahead and get into the Discord. Get ready to go. If you're not an Apex login holder, get your Apex set up. We'll get you guys a free giveaway here. We've already taken 1 trade today. I got right here. We took a trade at. I took a 5 at 25,553.75 and a buy at 25,538.75. So I got 15 points out of that candle. It took 5 minutes to get there. Kept me on the edge of the seat, I think. It is what it is. But With crispy. Crispy. All right. We're gonna get that thing worked. Hmm. I gotta try something here. Sorry. Quiet. Too little, too loud. All right, let's see how it goes. I've done it backwards. Let's see if I could do it forwards now. All right, hey, what's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am on the live YouTube as well, so we're gonna be doing a quick giveaway. Let me see something. Let's see. All right. All right, YouTube. I'll be right back. All right, if you're watching my stream and you're not in the Discord, you're missing out. Yeah, if you want to re-Apex, come to the Discord. All right, all right. What do we got going on? Well, we just kind of like broke this pivot and kind of stayed in this area, this range right here. You know, it's kind of one of those situations. What do we do? What do we do? Bear flag? Looking like a bear flag a little bit. Could come right back up and retest the VWAP today. Look at the options chain. See what QQQ's up to. Yeah, no, we got some pretty significant volume that falls off. Could go back, be going back up. But I only see it going up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points back up. 6, 5 points. I think that's the low. All right, well. Air flag, higher low. Sheesh, we went down and broke yesterday's low. Hmm. It's a lot of gap there. Qualcomm and AVGO messing it up for the market. But you know how this market rolls. We jump down 5 to make it up in 10. That's how it goes. Let's look at gold real quick. Anybody looking at gold? What are they at? 43.52. Wow. Okay, okay. Almost 4,400 again. Silver. Oh man, that's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. 65.07. 65.08 at open. All right. Been watching silver. Silver is doing good, but now we're back at 63.25. See. Let's look at the ES. Let's look at the YM. Curious about the YM, what it's doing. It's recovering. The Rusty. There we go. Back to NQ. All right. Well, we didn't look at the ES. Look at the ES. ES making the same pattern structure. Did we make an all-time high last night? Yeah. No? Almost. Almost. Pretty close. Tough full flag. I think I'm gonna cut it short at about 10, 11 o'clock. So fair flag. Hmm. Just dumping off here. Fair flag. Anybody in a trade? Anybody short? Feeling like it's gonna continue here. Oh yeah. I shorted this right here. I think it was definitely gonna continue there though, supersonic. Definitely. I mean, if it breaks through 249.50. You know, I was last night, I was just kind of hesitant to want to trade it for sure. Like, at least even in my mind. You know, so I kind of figured it would do this bouncy thing for a while until it decided to go lower. The last time we were up there at 25,704, that would have been the short of the decade right there. But the issue is that it's not so much wanting to, it's when it's going to short. You know, all these analysts are saying it's going down, and I believe them, it's going to go down, but I think it's trying to do kind of some sort of a trap, you know, and a trap is never ever good, you know, for the bears. So you wait for the trap to happen first, and then you catch the short down. But I mean, Lauren was right. Lauren Mills, we had that meeting last night, and you know, I wasn't doubting him for 2 seconds. I just wasn't sure and ready for that to happen. Because look, everybody was saying down before, and then what? we came up to high, tested high, and then ripped down again. It's like, that's the thing. It's like they're trapping. They want to go down. Don't get me wrong. Interest rates got cut. You know, earnings season, end of the year, taxes. Like, really, honestly, they want to go down, but they don't want to do it so easy, you know? They don't want to do it so easy. Oh, nice, nice. Just continuing to rip lower. Oh, wow. Oh, my. Fell off a freaking cliff. 100-point candle. Next pivot, bounce. Bouncing on that next pivot, maybe. That was a 100-point candle, everybody. I figured it'd be a bounce off that. Oh man, I started watching this series. Got stuck. Anybody watch Mayor of Kingston? Goodness gracious. The first episode is slow, but every episode after that is good. All right, NQ's dumping off 100 points in a minute or less. Not a bad setup. Man, that was a beautiful short. Just blink your eyes and take the trade. 100 points. If you're interested in politics, gangs, and everything else, good. Power, scheming, and, you know, pretty much all out wars. I don't know how accurate it is in the depends, but might be pretty close. Yeah. Let's look at silver. Oh, man, silver's been catching everybody's eye, but let's look at the COMEX, silver COMEX. 62.25 and a half. We got, you know, we hit up there at the 665.110. So I think that is ATH. That is definitely all-time high. Did a small pullback here today already, but we could bounce after we hit 61.95, or we could bounce now and use this as support to go higher. What I do see is a double top. Hit my I did state somewhere that we would hit 65, but we were only there for literally like, it looks like 2 minutes, maybe 3. Okay, I lied, 4. 65 for 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Oh, 3 minutes. It was in its high for 3 minutes, guys. And then it just fell off back to 62.25, which is okay, because you know what? They'll forget those dip buyers and they'll just bring it right back up in less than a couple hours. Not a bad gig there. Gold, but almost back to all-time high. Goodness. What is going on in the world? Well, it hit 44, 43.85. It's still falling off. We got a bunch of targets down there to fix, which is not a big deal for gold anymore. NQ, back to the NASDAQ, just dumping off deeper than what yesterday did, deeper than what the night before did. Just nice and passing through it. So
Stock ESL, stock NQSL, stock ESL, stock NQSL, stock ESL. Unfortunate.
still selling off, man. This pivot. I'm
Stock NQSL.
this pivot right here. But I'm gonna take the time to thank all our viewers, our affiliates. You know, Apex did a giveaway in Apex today. Congratulations to those who won. Check out Apex. They got a nice sale going on right now. 90% off. Elite Trader Funding has 90% off as well. Lucid has I think they have their discount coming to an end. Let me double check.
Stock ES5.
I mean, we're back at 200 now. Beautiful dump off today. The 25K and the 50K Flex and Pro Lucids are 40% off. 40% off. 25 and 50K. Till they say so. So it could be all Christmas long. We don't know. We'll see. And then they have a 20K cash giveaway as well. That's what they're doing here at Lucid Trading. More details tomorrow. So we'll find out more details on the 20K cash that they're giving away. I don't know. I haven't heard much from Blue Sky. Blue Sky, I don't know what's going on with them. They had a FOMC sale. They do sales every day. They swap it up. They don't keep anything consistent with that prop, but their consistency rule is what they do keep. So, I want to thank RyanMac. I want to thank my family for the support that they have during this time. Not this time, but just every day they support by letting me get on here and stream with you guys. So, outside of that, appreciate you joining me. I'm gonna head you over to the outro. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great night. Stay green. It's Friday. We'll see you Sunday. I think I'll be in the Discord with Alex Sunday night, though. Probably hang out and do some analysis. Bye.
Gas beats on the 5. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.